Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Shashwat is busy today, so me and Keshav are here in the studio. We thought we'd try this new format out with you guys, which we've been playing with in Paisa Botai. It's another channel which me and Keshav now and then appear on. Sorry for the drilling noise in the background. There's some construction happening in the building. There's nothing we can do about it. Maybe it'll keep you awake during this video. What do you say, Keshav?
Yeah, and today we are going to discuss about something that you have frequently asking in comment section. That is, what is intrinsic value?
Interesting value.
Sorry, that is an intrinsic value. But what is intrinsic value and how to calculate it? Sir told me that most of us are asking about this. Let's make a video out of it. Okay, sir. He also asked, what is intrinsic value? I said, I don't know, sir. I want to know about that. Okay, let's make a video on it. So now I'm also going to learn as you guys learning from our video.
In simple terms, what is intrinsic value? Intrinsic value is the underlying value of the asset or investment of the company. It does nothing to do with the market fluctuations or the price fluctuations. It's about the fundamental factors such as earnings, growth potential, assets and liabilities. So we take the balance sheet. The balance sheet contains all the information about the intrinsic value.
Okay.
It's like your biodata. Okay, it's the potential of Keshav. I look at your biodata and I see you, I see a mark sheet, and based on that, I have to make a potential guess. Okay. Saying Keshav
is worth like this.
So much he can produce. So much work, Keshav's output of work can be so much.
Okay.
It's like hiring. You hire a person, no? You look at them, they talk, you do an interview with them.
Yeah, sir.
Then you say, okay, you don't know how they work. Correct? So based on that
let's give
interview, you'll say, okay, let me give, I think this Keshav boy can do this kind of work. He can do so much of work, which will make me so much of money working for my company.
Okay, understood, sir.
Understood, sir. That is in term, what is intrinsic value? Next question which you'll have is, what are the factors that affect intrinsic value? Correct?
Yeah, sir. And I want to add a point that when we talk about intrinsic value, you said, I asked you, sir, what is it about? Why do we need to calculate intrinsic value? You said, we need to do that, but it is like a Maya. We have to showcase our, what to say, sir?
Yes. Because the factors, you're right. Bit of your imagination is there in intrinsic value. Intrinsic value, yes, some of it is numbers. But some of it is your own personal opinion.
Okay.
Because like earning growth, earning growth, you can see the past growth. But future projection growth, you cannot see.
Yeah.
Then is cash flow. Past cash flow you can see. But discounted cash flow, what is going to come for the future to this company is hard to see. Industrial trends. Okay? Trends. We don't even know what fashion trends is.
Yeah,
okay, you and me, I dress like a clown. You at least dress a bit better than me. Okay? So, it's highly opinionated. What you think is good, what I think good is different. Then something known as competitive advantages.
Okay.
Competitive advantages depends on the product, depends on the market, depends on the time.
Okay.
Then management quality. So, you might think Karthik is a great manager. I might think Karthik sleeps too much. Correct? I might not think he's a good manager. He might be a better watchman, I think.
The perfect quality.
So, as I was saying, so these are the things which are variables.
Okay.
So, when you take into these variables, intrinsic value can be fluctuating.
Yeah.
So, my intrinsic value, the way I look at it, in terms of purely numbers, the past numbers I can base and say it is worth this much today. Like Keshav has got a degree. He got these marks. But will Keshav again be able to write the same exam and get the same marks? I cannot say.
I cannot predict. Okay.
You understood?
Yeah, sir.
So how can I assess the value? It's very difficult. So that's highly opinionated.
Okay.
Okay. So there are different ways to evaluate this. What are the different ways to evaluate? There are two basic methods of doing. One is known as discounted cash flow method.
Okay.
That means to see the future earnings of this company, what is potential of making 10 years from now, 5 years from now, and what it is right now.
Okay.
Am I going to get this kind of money? Will this company make this kind of money? Okay. That is known as, I'm talking very simple terms here. Okay. So this is, So this is future discounted cash flow method. Okay. Discounting the future earnings from this company's current position to see what is there. The other one is the famous one, which we always talk about, is the PE ratio.
Okay.
Price to earnings. By looking at the price to earnings ratio, is the company at the right price? Is it at a price where it's valuable to buy? There's growth option, a margin of safety in it for it to grow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Those are the two fundamental ways of looking at it.
Okay.
All right. Now, as we always say, Warren Buffett has an opinion about these things.
Okay.
Correct. So what does Warren Buffett say? He has famously said, intrinsic value is the discounted value of the cash that can be taken out of a business during the remaining life. To say, basically, I've got you.
Okay, sir.
Now, how much blood can I take out of you before you die? That is what he's calculating.
Okay.
You understood?
Understood, sir.
I'm saying it in a way you will understand. You have a cow. How the cow lives for another 10 years.
We have to.
How many liters of milk will that cow give? Or I have a coconut plantation. Okay, before the coconut trees die, you try and calculate how many coconut it's going to give you. That is the calculation he's talking about.
Okay.
So these companies which have an underlying strong fundamentals.
Okay.
Okay, what are strong fundamentals? Meaning, what is their debt? What is their cash?
Yes, sir.
Seeing all that. Then strong fundamentals, such as the management and everything. What they've been doing, their past track record. You'll have to analyze all that. And does it make sense holding it for long term is what he's saying.
Okay.
Understood?
It is related to the rule that the value investors follows.
Correct. So it's a tool which a lot of value investors follow.
Okay.
Okay?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Now the question gets into, you have intrinsic value and you have market price.
Okay, sir.
What is the big difference? If the intrinsic value of Keshav medical store is 50 rupees and the market is selling Keshav share at 20 rupees, what is the big thing? Okay, so the value of Keshav's intrinsic value is 50 rupees. Market is selling for 20 rupees. I've said this before. It's good to buy Keshav's medical store because it will rise. It has potential
To grow.
to this.
Okay.
Or more. But if it is at 50 and the price is already selling at 70,
It is not a good.
yeah, intrinsic value, if you look at that as a measurement, it's not. But it's not the only thing you should consider.
Okay.
Because there are a lot of companies, if you see, the current situation will show it being in deficit.
Okay.
But the future has immense possibilities. The future has good growth. Like Amazon for a very long time was losing cash. But a lot of people kept putting in Amazon because Amazon had a great future.
And the potential to grow in the future.
Yes.
Okay.
But will it grow? It's a risk you have to take. Being an investor, you're gambling. You believe in the management, you think the way they're doing business is correct, and you think their idea of doing business is correct. You put the money, then you wait.
Okay.
Wait for it to go, regardless of all the noise you hear, all the analysts saying no, yes, you should avoid all that and keep your head down and keep going. So that is how you can use intrinsic value as a value analyzer.
Okay.
So the risks you should consider as what? Things which are unpredictable.
Yeah, sir.
It's like climate change. Right? Today, suddenly yesterday it rained in Chennai. No one thought of taking a raincoat.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, no one expects in August. Like this rain, this kind of rain. Like monsoon it was. Like hurricane was coming. It looked like a cyclone was going to hit us.
Yeah, sir.
Like that. So that is what the problem is. With all this value investing and intrinsic value and all that, you cannot time it. So on a short term, you cannot bet on it. In a long term, you can say usually in Chennai, first week of August, it doesn't rain. Long term.
Okay.
Or you can say because of climate change, it may change. You can expect rains to come on from now on. You can say something in the long term. That gives you safety to move and navigate. But today, the next 1 hour when you're going out to eat your lunch, is it going to rain? I cannot tell you. You cannot tell me.
Yeah.
So the problem with intrinsic value is, on long term, it's a useful tool, right?
But
for a short term, let's say you're doing day trading or a month trading, you want to buy ITC now and you want to sell it a month from now, or you're investing just for 6 months period. The intrinsic value is of no use.
Understood.
You might as well flip a coin and decide.
Understood, sir.
Understood. So these are the pros and cons of
intrinsic values.
You understood now?
Yeah, sir.
You understood why I said it is something like magic? You understood all of it?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Certain parts of it, yes, you can calculate. Some parts of it you cannot calculate.
Yeah.
It is your personal opinion. Right?
It may or it may not.
Like believe it or not, there are people in the world who think Warren Buffett is a fool. There are people who think, and it's their opinion, they're valid to have it. There are a lot of people who think he doesn't make good decisions. There are. I know you find it shocking.
Yeah, sir.
I know, but there are. It is opinion.
Okay, it's their opinion. Okay.
Right.
Okay, so we came to the end of the video. Now we came to know about what is intrinsic value. I came to know about what is intrinsic value. And we have discussed about the pros and cons of the intrinsic value. Hope this video is useful for you guys. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and make them watch this video. And
please don't make them watch the video. Please offer it to them.
Yeah.
Leave it to them if they would like to watch it. Don't please force anyone to watch me in case.
Sorry, the word
You should not hate anyone like that.
Sorry. So after watching this video, please subscribe to our channel. Like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon. Then only You will notified whenever you post a video.
Correct.
Thank you
And-
for watching, Biraj.
And please remember, there's two ways of calculating. One is the discounted cash flow method. The other is the price to earnings method,
Yes.
which you can find online if you Google it and find out more information on how to calculate.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.